So you want to start a business, but you're not sure where to begin. Good news. We're going to walk through it step by step in simple, clear language. Step 1. Your idea. Ask yourself 2 questions. What problem am I solving? And who exactly has this problem? If you can't answer those in 1 or 2 sentences, your idea needs a bit more sharpening. You can even ask ChatGPT to help you turn a vague idea into a clear, simple offer. Step 2. Validate it. Before you spend money, talk to real people. Ask them how they currently solve this problem. What frustrates them? What would a perfect solution look like? Search online. Look at reviews of similar products or services. If people are already paying to solve this problem, that's a good sign. Step 3. Choose how you'll make money. Will you charge a one-time fee, a subscription, or hourly rates? Will you sell products, services, or both? Write down a basic pricing plan. You can have ChatGPT suggest simple business models for your idea and compare options. Step 4. Make a simple business plan. This can be 1 page. Who you serve, what you sell, how you'll reach customers, what it costs to run, and how much you need to earn to profit. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be clear. Step 5. Set it up legally and financially. Choose a business name. Check if it's available. Register your business where you live. Get any required licenses. Open a separate business bank account. If you're unsure, talk to a local accountant or advisor. Step 6. Build your first version. Create the simplest version of your product or service that still feels professional. A basic website or profile. Clear description of what you do. A way for people to contact you and pay you. You can have ChatGPT help you write your website text, emails, and social posts. Step 7. Get your first customers. Start with people you know. Post in relevant groups. Offer a small discount for first customers in exchange for honest feedback and testimonials. Focus on helping people and listening closely to what they say. Step 8. Improve and repeat. Track what works. Do more of that. Fix what doesn't. Over time, you can raise prices, add offers, or automate parts of your work. If you'd like to explain your own business with a clean, simple animated video like this, go to vidfactory.ai. You can create professional explainer videos quickly, so customers understand what you do and why it matters.